Hi, Jay here at IntelligentTrendFollower.com. Just want to do a quick video showing you the FinViz Heatmap feature, which is one of my favorite ways to quickly gauge the health of the market. So to find this, just head over to finviz.com and then click on Maps, or you can click down here. From here, you'll see basically a heat map of the S&P 500 showing all the companies and their relative market cap weighting as depicted by the size of their box. This kind of gives you an idea of how much of a sway they have on the index. Over here on the left, you can change the markets you're looking at if you want to look at global markets, exchange traded funds, or the entire FinViz universe, which I think is probably my favorite to look at. And you can see it just gives you a really great visual view of how different stocks as well as sectors of the market are performing. This is a great way to just scan the market, see if you can find any breakout, standout names, or laggards potentially to consider avoiding. When you hover over names, you do get more detail and related tickers, which is great. The other neat feature about this heat map here is you can also change the performance or show them based on fundamental metrics. I really like the performance timeframes because it allows you to kind of contrast to see what's working now as well as what's been working or not working as it were this year. So you can see some of the standout names compared to the overall tone, which is a little closer to break even, and you can sort of also see pockets of concentrated areas where they're maybe out of favor with the market, so to speak. In this case, REITs and utilities have been lagging a little bit. Depending on your time frame, you can use different filters here, but overall just kind of contrasting the more recent performance with the longer term trends really helps me find both standout names to maybe jump on and underperformers that you might want to avoid. Really check on this kind of every day during the market, throughout the day, just to kind of see how things are moving and shaking. It's a really great way to get a ton of information at a glance very quickly. So I hope you found this introduction to the FinViz heat maps useful. There's a lot more you can do, so I definitely encourage you to come check it out and give it a try for yourself. And please feel free to subscribe to the channel as well. Thanks very much and have a great day.